What's up, guys? Welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, I want to show you something new that I just got. So finally, I got a UTB18 Capra. Hadn't driven it anything, guys. Just got it yesterday. Brought it home, took it out of the box, and hadn't really done anything, but I do have some things planned for it. I just don't know the direction I'm gonna go, but a bunch of you guys remember that I do have the parts from RC all-wheel drive, the shocks, as well as the Axial, which will be getting installed pretty soon. I just hadn't made my mind up yet if I want to go ahead and get these powder coated black, or I might get them powder coated a different color. I'm not really sure. I just gotta get with the local guy to see what the prices are gonna be. But I do want to get these powder coated if possible. But we do know we'll be putting these on. This is one of the things that we'll get installed. And we may even run it like this. I'm just not sure just yet. It wouldn't look too bad, I don't think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I powder coat them black, or should I go ahead and run them like they are? I don't think that'll be too bad, being that the cage is not the same color, but it's not far off from it. So I have a few things in mind. I am thinking about doing, I forgot the name of the company that has that, but I saw a motor where you can remove this box right here, and it's like a simulated motor. I'm thinking about doing that as well. You do guys know I don't keep anything stock, so this will probably be going brushless. I don't know when, because I got a lot of stuff going on. Can't really do anything till my business season pick back up around the end of March, beginning of April. But I do have some plans for it. I'm probably gonna end up doing some weights. I would like to extend this thing a little bit, because I'm honestly gonna run this thing with the 10 scales. I just want to see how well it does with the 10 scales. We're probably gonna go with a reef, that servo that they have made for this. I don't know when I'm gonna do all this, because it's gonna add up pretty fast, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna go with. If not a reef, it'll end up being an NSDRC. But I know Reefs had one specifically made for this. And I know this is something that I never do, but I really don't need. But I'm thinking seriously about doing a servo inside of the cage, just running out the front. I saw one guy, he had his where it came right out the middle right here. I think that would be pretty cool as well. Guys, let me know what you think. I want to go brushless, and I'm thinking about the Homes Hobby, but I'm gonna be honest, my wallet's not thinking about the Homes Hobby. I would like to do the Homes Hobby, but I'm probably gonna end up doing the FuryTech system, because to be quite honest, you just can't go wrong with that FuryTech system, because for that price, you're getting everything. I can pop it right in here, grab my new receiver, and I'm ready to go. Guys, let me know which way you would go. Now, if I had the money, I think I would go ahead and go with the Homes Hobby, but that's a little bit steep for my pockets. I am pretty much planning on going all out with this one. I'm not to the point where I want to do the deluxe fab setup or anything like that. I do like it. I don't want to do the killer or anything like that yet, because I do want to keep this thing looking like an actual buggy as of right now. And at some point later on, we may change some things up. I'm going to do the battery mod pretty much for sure, so we can move that battery back a little bit farther. We're going to do a different battery as well. Probably end up going with a 3S. I already picked out some wheels and tires. Take that back. I picked out some wheels. I am going to stick with the 1.55s. I want to kind of keep this thing looking the way I think it should look. 1.9s to me is just a little bit too tall. But you guys know I'm the same way about my crawlers. I'm the same way about my crawlers. I don't like the really huge tires. My goal is to make this thing where it is competitive with 10 scales. I know it can be done. We're gonna end up doing the link riser. I don't know which company I'm gonna do the link riser by, but we definitely gonna do the link riser to try to settle this thing a little bit. And probably links as well. These probably work fine, but I would like to have something that's a little bit larger. I do want to do the lower ones and the upper ones. They got a ton of things out here for this thing. I'm noticing there's more and more parts becoming available every day. I really didn't like this thing at first. I didn't think it was cool, but you know, now I'm really feeling it. I still wish it was 1/18 or a 24 size, but I mean, we do have other alternatives if we want a 24. Depending on how my money is, I probably would never drive this thing with the stock motor and ESC setup, just because I like the brushless setup. When I buy something, I already have an idea of what I want to do to it. Right out the gate, I already know what I want to do. And this one, some of the things I mentioned, some of the things I want to do. Think about going with a totally different color. I'm gonna do something that's around my logo color more than likely. I just hadn't figured out exactly what that's gonna be, but make sure you guys stay tuned, because you guys will get a chance to see everything that I do to this. If it's something that you guys would do that I didn't mention, make sure you drop a comment below. And if you guys are not subbed to the channel, go ahead and sub to the channel and hit that like button for me if you don't mind. It won't cost you anything. Just hit that like button for me. And I want to give a special shout out to all you guys. Thank you guys for making this possible, because if it wasn't for you guys, I probably would still do some of this stuff, but I wouldn't be showing it as much, and I wouldn't be in a hurry to get everything done to it that I'm trying to get done to it. Until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.